ये पूरा खोद दिए. Guys, I hit a strike. It's so good. This is my life's first TED Talk. No spitting, spit. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to an episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. Picking up right where we left off in the last vlog. I am now on Sunday headed out for a family get together because it's Ichu Pichu's 5th birthday. That's my nephew Ishan. उसका 5वां birthday है. उसकी birthday party है Sky City Mall में. हम बच्चे लोग को लेके जा रहे हैं gaming and everything. So it's 5:15. 45 minutes is my ETA. Let's go. It's gonna be so much fun. Reet आया ही है for Ichu Pichu's birthday and for the IPL match जो आपने last vlog में देखा. गरम गरम रात की रानी एस्प्रेसो पी रही हूँ, शाम की कॉफ़ी, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा सा बुखार है. सो कॉफ़ी विल मेक मी फील गुड, गिव मी सम एनर्जी टू गो आउट एंड अबाउट. चलो लाइट्स ऑफ, एसी ऑफ. फजी इज़ लाइक मुझे भी बोल रहे लगता है चलो. फजू को नहीं लग जा रहा, आज वो नहाया है तो बहुत इरिटेटेड है. Boy, who's your birthday boy? Where are you? I'm searching for you everywhere. Huh? I searched for you everywhere. So many kids are there. I'm looking for you everywhere. What happened? What kachra went in your legs? Birthday boy हार गया. Oh my god. Birthday boy हार गया.
I'll take plate for you.
No. Ishan, make a wish. What do you want? Lots of toys? Happy birthday to you.
Later that same evening.
खुशी का दिन होगा फाइनली. कब से मैं राह देख रही थी.
49.9 के I saw तो वो होने रहे थे, मतलब कुछ 50-60 बचे थे. I thought कि कल होगा.
हाँ, फिर मैंने सारा को बोली स्टोरी डाल देना करके. हाँ तो हो गया. फाइनली हो गया. कब से राह देख रही थी मैं.
तुमको ऐसा बोलती हो डाल के.
चलो अच्छा है.
मम्मी का 50 के हो गया.
That number 50 is like pleasing. Yeah, that's so good. Pleasing to the eye. चलो. ओके बेटा.
कहाँ से निकाल रहे हो? अभी लेफ्ट लो, फ्रीद को पुराना घर दिखाते. ये पूरा खोद दिए. पूरा खोद दिया जोगेश्वरी. हो हम दिखा नहीं पाए तुमको. हम कहाँ रहते थे जब हम मिडिल क्लास थे, तब हम कहाँ रहते.
हमारी बचपन की मार्केट है सारा.
यस, हम लोग यहीं घूमते थे. देखो, और यहाँ पे दास फास्ट फूड है. जैसे मैं रोज पिज्जा खाती थी.
अच्छा.
जैसे तुम फूड इनका शॉर्मा खाते हो ना, अभी
मैं कहाँ रोज खाता हूँ.
प्लीज.
The next day.
Fudge, can you eat your food quickly so that we can take you to office? You have to go to office. Fudge, getting late for office. Come on, my meeting was at 1:30. 1 था एक्चुअली, मैंने 1:30 करवाया. Eat. 1 o'clock की मीटिंग 1:30 की. अभी भी मैं पहुंचूंगी नहीं शायद टाइम पर. I'll take it from my phone. I'll join the call from phone. Let's go. Monday wrap up. Guys, most hardworking employee award goes to Fudgy. 7 बजे तक फज ऑफिस में. सब चले गए. मम्मा सारे ऑफिस कैबिन का एसी बंद है. मुझे पैकअप भी करना बचा है. लॉट ऑफ डेटा एनालिसिस टू डू, लॉट्स ऑफ ईमेल्स टू रिप्लाई टू. यस आई नो. अभी मेरा गुड्डा एकदम रेस्टलेस हो गया है. एक ईमेल भेज के मम्मा चलती हो कि एक ईमेल, बस एक ईमेल.
Many hours later.
Guys, I have left from office and drove all the way to South Bombay because look who is here from Meghalaya. Shillong to South Bombay. What a journey.
Finally. Late night drive spots. We'll take you to Marines. Then we'll make you try the smoothies and the sandwich in Bachelors.
It'll be open, Bachelors?
It will be.
Oh yeah, I don't eat too much then.
पूरा रात खुला होता है.
Yes, absolutely.
Shillong, we should do Shillong. Now it's your turn.
Which is exactly why we came. We were like, we have to take them.
Take you to Carter's and all. We can take.
Yeah,
take them.
done. Let's go. We are at Fountain Sizzlers and we are also going to go gaming in Game Palacio, which I didn't even know. It's super overpriced, just by the way, Game Palacio.
You know, our first date was in a arcade.
Yeah.
Our
Reed
first
took me
date-
to Time Zone.
So you get to relive those days today.
Whenever we go to an arcade, we always bowling is something that she didn't enjoy much.
But basketball.
because of Ganda Hari.
I don't like bowling. I hate it.
Basketball also, she was under the impression कि अरे मैं तो
Oh my god, he let me win. And then he played good. I was like, oh my god, लंबा हो के भी इसको आता नहीं है.
Probably that was one of your better.
Yeah, I mean, I played all my cards right.
Warm up. Let's go, Jakharia. You can do better. I'm gonna lose as always. Nikki and I are going to play who plays it worse. Too long. This is not. I officially suck the most at this. And my nail broke. Reed का पूरा strike हो गया. Wow. Guys, I hit a strike. Oh my god. Look at that. I never knew how to bowl and now I'm hitting strikes. We measure between the boys and then the girls. Nikki and I just one score apart. And Ankush and Reed. What a game they played.
The next day.
हेलो आज ट्यूसडे है शूट डे था बट सुबह से बहुत ऑपरेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स थी तो मैं उसी में लग गई अभी जस्ट शूट पे लगी हूँ मुझे बुखार भी है बाय द वे आज जा ही नहीं रही है सर्दी बुखार आई डोंट नो ये एग्जॉशन वाली बुखार है क्या सच्ची में इन्फेक्शन है बॉडी में धूप में आई हैव कम आउट टू शूट सम कंटेंट एंड देन वील हेड बैक अप फज भी आया है मेरे साथ और कंटेंट के नाम पे मैंने सेब खरीद लिए क्योंकि मुझे शॉट लेना था ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग का और आपको तो पता है आपकी सारा करती नहीं ये सब 200 रुपये आधा डजन एप्पल लिया है मैंने आई डोंट इवन नो इफ दिस इज द रियल प्राइस कि मुझे देख के उसने इतना लगाया है फजी आई थिंक तुझे देख के ये 200 रुपये का एप्पल दिया है उसने मेरे को काफ़ी ओवर प्राइस्ड
1 hour later.
I just shot a reel for this Masaba BB cream and genuinely I'm so impressed. Like इतना अच्छे से हाथों से ही मैंने ब्लेंड कर लिया उसको एंड इट्स इवनड आउट लाइक सो स्किन पे ना मुझे नेक पे ये डिस्कलरेशन है बहुत लोगों ने क्वेश्चन भी किया कि आपको क्या हो गया है जो काले काले धब्बे दिख रहे हैं आई गॉट बर्न्ड बाय अ परफ्यूम कैन यू बिलीव इट आई अप्लाइड अ परफ्यूम इन गोवा ऑन माई नेक एंड देन आई वेंट आउट इन द सन ये गोवा के टाइम से हो गया है मुझे जो लास्ट ईयर हम गोवा गए थे तब से एंड उसके बाद से वो पिगमेंटेशन हो गया वो जहाँ जहाँ परफ्यूम स्प्रे किया ना वो सन के एक्सपोजर के साथ दैट परफ्यूम पिगमेंटेड मे बी द अल्कोहल कंटेंट इन द परफ्यूम वाज अ लॉट एंड द सन एक्सपोजर रिएक्टेड एंड caused this burn on my skin so long I was ignoring it because I didn't have time to go to the dermat but ये weekend पे मैं जाके आई and then he's given me a cream to apply on these patches but mostly I put concealer and sort of like try to even it out and this BB cream did even out my complexion while feeling very lightweight so I do like that it has a fragrance though so if you're super fragrance sensitive then you should be mindful but it's not very perfumey it's the kind of sunscreen में जैसा smell आता है ना वैसा sunscreen जैसा smell है because इसमें SPF भी है so keep that in mind but I do really like the coverage and the fact that it has shades it's a BB cream that has 14 shades so also really like the packaging it's not travel friendly it's like a statement piece you know आप खरीदोगे तो कितना मस्त लगेगा आपके vanity पे very nice packaging this is not an ad this my reel is an ad but this is not an ad whenever I come in the vlog and give you all an honest recommendation it's purely because I really do love the product and it deserves an extra shout out if I don't love the product तो मैं ad ही नहीं करूँगी बट एक्स्ट्रा शाउट आउट एक्स्ट्रा बिना पैसे का दैट आई डू ओनली व्हेन आई जेन्युइनली लव इट। ये बनाना पाउडर मेरा खत्म हो गया, पता है मेरा बड़ा वाला गुम हो गया। ये कितना गंदा है। The fact that I have you, I'm sure I'm breaking out because of this. I need to buy. I miss my Pack सारा sponges, वो सारे ख़राब हो गए। अभी 2 साल हो गया, 2 साल के ऊपर हो गया। ये बड़े वाले पैक के हैं बट मुझे छोटे वाले चाहिए। मेरा पैक सारा परफेक्ट साइज था जो अंडर आई में फिट होता था। दिस इज बेनिफिट्स play days in villa. Everyone in my office is coughing or sneezing or is on their period. We have a mostly girls team, which I love. I love my girls working. They're the most disciplined when it comes to work. My boys are one, have to beat them and get the job done. My girls are extremely disciplined and get their job done. They're very independent. But we are all on our periods or are sick or are sneezing and coughing and हमारी wicket down है अभी currently.
The next day.
This is what I look like at work today. Dead. Alive but dead. My pigmentation is getting better on the neck. है ना? Cream से सिर्फ अभी यही बचा है.
काफी जल्दी चला गया.
Agni is the best dermat in the world. They are making my calendar for tomorrow, already bullying me into working more when I'm already sick. She said, Sharon is telling me, you can start your day at 11. Look at the privilege. They say boss मतलब boss खुद के लिए काम करता है. What rubbish. Whoever said that.
थोड़ा सा आराम से सो के उठो.
तुम लोग आ जाइए, घंटी बजाती है तभी मैं उठ जाती
तो
हूँ.
मैं जल्दी आ जाऊंगी.
तू तो कभी जल्दी नहीं आती है, ये ही जल्दी आती है.
मतलब मैं 10 मिनट लेट आऊंगी तो उसकी तरफ भी आ जाऊंगी.
The next day.
गाइस ये बीमारी मुझे छोड़ ही नहीं रही है. आज भी मुझे थोड़ा बॉडी एक है, थोड़ा ऐसा साइनसेस टाइट लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि सर्दी जमा है सिस्टम के अंदर. सर्दी डजंट वांट टू लीव बट नो पीपल आल्सो वांट टू लीव. माय हाउस इज अ हाउस फुल टुडे. मॉम एडिट टीम इज हियर, सारा सरोज टीम इज हियर, जखारिया इज ऑलवेज हियर. माय फादर आल्सो केम एंड आई टोल्ड हिम अभी तुम चले जाओ, बहुत सारे लोग हो रहे इधर. सो माय फादर केम, ड्रॉप्ड माय लंच एंड वेंट. मॉम एडिट इज
कंप्लेन कर रही है हम लोग आए.
यस ऑफ कोर्स कंप्लेन.
ट्रेनिंग मी राइट.
आई एम
I
ट्रेनिंग.
trained you 18 years of my life.
That
Two
Jakaria
plus
is
two मैंने
also
सिखाई थी.
is always here, and when Jakaria is not there, hey, Jakaria is not there, hey, he left me, hey, he did that, hey, he ये कदर नहीं है लोगों को बिल्कुल कदर नहीं है.
जाओ रहो अपने गांव में. जाओ जाओ. देखते हो ना मैं तुम्हारा कितना ध्यान रखती हूँ इधर रहते हो तो.
Now if I go live like
कोई तुम्हारा असम में इतना ध्यान रखता है जितना मैं तुम्हारा इधर ध्यान रखती हूँ.
अरे बिल्कुल.
कौन बिल्कुल?
मैं तो पैदा हुआ मैं जब आपसे मिला. मैं तो पैदा हुआ मैं जब आपसे मिला. मेरा रिबर्थ हुआ मैं जब आपसे मिला. तुमने ये चेयर लिए तो बैठ के काम करने के लिए. और आप तो वो चेयर पे क्यों रखते हो तुम लोग?
नहीं रखे, हटा देंगे.
मुकेश रखता है.
बैठो उस पे बैठो. Gosh, anyways, I wanted to take steam.
रखा जाता है और फिर मुझे जमीन पे बैठाया जाता है.
जमीन पे बैठना.
देखो like.
I have no energy to argue with him. Today is a very long day for me. I have lots of shoots to do, and I also need to go for Devil Wears Prada's premiere. You guys, I'm so excited to go for Devil Wears Prada. I have done इतना मस्त makeup because मैं इसी makeup में रात को premiere के लिए जाने वाली हूँ. I'm going with Diet Coke for Devil Wears Prada. I'm going with Sharon, and what a sin I'm doing because Madam has not watched the part 1.
मैं इसे रिकैप देखूंगी.
Just shut up. अभी लंच ब्रेक में मैं तेरे को दिखाने वाली हूँ part 1.
2 घंटे बैठने का टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास.
नहीं है टाइम. 7 वीडियो. अरे फटाफट हो जाएगा. देखो जखारिया को कुर्सी दे दी ना मैंने. कैसे मैं तुम्हारे लिए बंदोबस्त करती हूँ सोचो.
A few moments later.
Guys, we are making Sharon watch Devil Wears Prada in lunch break because Mukesh is bringing lunch.
Because Mukesh is bringing lunch.
No, she has to watch it. How will you get contacts in the night for the premiere? Guys, I made a nice summer cooler recipe. Impulse पे आएगा. Impulse.
Nice.
है ना?
एकदम फ्रेश. फ्रेश तो है इसलिए अपना.
Yeah, I put organic blueberries, make them उसका पूरा जैम बना के and then अपनी blueberry iced tea impulse वाली.
ब्लूबेरी का पल्प गिरा है ना, उसमें सीड है थोड़ा बहुत, अच्छा लग रहा है.
It feels like a nice smooth. ये कलर नहीं आता है अपनी iced tea का, but अच्छा तूने ब्लूबेरी पहली बार पी?
Many hours later.
हाँ, it is 5 o'clock and मरते धरते कैसे कैसे आपकी सारा ने सारा शूट कंप्लीट कर लिया है आज का। 2 रेसिपी वीडियोस, 2 एड कंटेंट, 2 सेल कंटेंट, 1 ब्रांड वीडियो और मेरी मैनेजर बहुत खुश है कि मैंने सारा कर ली डिस्पाइट बीइंग सिक।
Yes.
Now
Do you feel sick?
no, we took good amount of breaks and we didn't over and the scripts were not long, only one script was very long. Baki mera hi content tha, so I could do it fat. Now I'm going to shoot a podcast with Reeth for Roaming Check Sack and that will be it for my shoot. Resting a little and I did very glam makeup because ये मुझे रात तक टिकाना है movie premiere के लिए, तो I'm not going to do any touch ups. I'm sitting in थोड़ी गर्मी में because मेरा पसीना निकलना चाहिए, actually बुखार आ रही है जा रही है, but I will just put little powder on my face and go for the premiere. I should be fine with that. Let me put the AC in respect, ज़्यादा पसीना भी नहीं आ सकता। मैं बहुत दिन से जिम नहीं गई हूँ यार, मेरी जिम को नजर लग गई because I felt sick. I'm not been going to the gym and I'm feeling so bad about that. I'm eating clean. I'm not eating anything rubbish. You can see on my skin that I'm not breaking out because I'm not eating rubbish. But I'm not going to the gym, which is sad. क्या कर सकते हैं? But I need to feel my 100% to hit the gym.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I'm ready for the Devil Wears Prada 2 premiere. I'm so excited. मेरे को already better लग रहा है health wise. Reeth is putting on my shoes because these are the complicated heels from Cannes. These are the ones I wore on the red carpet at Cannes and we're wearing it to the red carpet at, I don't know if this is a red carpet. I don't think it's a red carpet. I'm actually going so late. I want to go late because I don't want to do the red carpet. I really don't like red carpet events. It was 7 p.m. onwards, so I'm going at 8 because the movie starts at 8:30. I don't want to spend a lot of time outside the theater because I'm cold. मुझे सर्दी हो रखी है तो मुझे डर लग रहा है कि मैं अगर इतनी ठंडी में बैठी ज़्यादा वक्त तो मुझे और सर्दी हो जाएगी. So that's why I'm going very cut to cut. I think there'll just be little media press before that and then the movie will start. I'm so excited to watch the movie. We watched Devil Wears Prada 1, which is like literally 20 years back and I had not seen this in such a long time, but I love that movie so much. It's like childhood. Okay, this is the outfit. This is Nikhil Thampi x RSVP. I haven't worn this dress also in a really long time. Looking really fine. I love how it fits me. I love the trail. Gives a little bit of drama and yeah, I think it's perfect. Carrying my Jimmy Choo clutch which is here and I'm taking this bag for Sharon with a lot of other random things that she needs and we need. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we have left. Sharon is here looking very beautiful. Took her time with her makeup and abhi hum ja rahe hain. Looking very good. Very fresh your makeup is looking. Mine is the subah se same but irrespective. भाई थिएटर में थोड़े देखने वाले हम 2-3 फोटो बाहर लेंगे एंड देन आई तो फॉरगेट आल्सो टू टेक फोटोज एट दीस थिंग्स लाइक अदर क्रिएटर्स एंड देन व्हेन आई सी अदर क्रिएटर्स पोस्ट सो मेनी पिक्चर्स आई एम लाइक शिट मैंने फोटो ही नहीं ली बट आई टुक सम पिक्चर्स घर पे अभी बिकॉज़ आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर यू. आई टुक सम पिक्चर्स. आई शो यू कम वेरी गुड G7X.
अच्छा इस पे लिए
हां G7X पे बहुत अच्छे फोटोज हैं. लेट मी शो यू ऑल आल्सो.
Nice. Very nice.
I just forget to post when I take it on this device. ना मेहनत है ये. फोटो लो फिर ट्रांसफर करो फिर एडिट करो फिर डालो.
ये उपयोग तो आना चाहिए ना.
I know 1.5 lakh का कैमरा. Should have just used the old one which we had. Had I known it was just good for photos. Photos तो आ रहे थे ना YouTube Fan Fest.
Just to fix this thing, no, the shutter.
Yeah, even without the shutter, it's still a working condition camera. My old one.
We sold it and then we took this.
We didn't sell. It's still there in the drawer.
Oh, okay.
It's just that one was not good for videos, and I was going to Umrah, and for Umrah I wanted a vlogging camera, and my DJI had gone to the.
Then this has focus issues.
This has focus issues. I don't vlog with that anymore. I vlog with the phone or with the DJI because you all hated the consistency of the Umrah vlogs. They were like too much movement or a focus shift or and I was like okay. And the DJI came back, I never went back. It's just a very sensitive camera, the DJI. It's not for rough and tough use. Let's go, movie time. I'm so excited.
I was saying next time you should take a Louboutin.
Louboutin is very uncomfortable. See, guys, Sharon is the one who makes me shop for these things. Love it. I love Insignia. Chotu sa theater, cute too. Yeah, Sharon. One of the first people to watch it. Are you
Yes,
excited?
I'm excited. But मेरे को 30 minutes का context, 15 minutes context है ना.
हाँ, 1 घंटा देखी थी picture.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Guys, now that the pictures are done, the first thing I'm going to do is remove these hideous heels. They are so f***ing uncomfortable. Look at my little toe crying for help. I cannot do heels and I don't need to. Also, this stupid stylist of mine, na, she wants me to buy Louboutin and all. Look at that.
Fashion is painful.
मैं चादर लाई हूँ guys, blanket, so that if we feel cold, because Reet ने बोला बुखार चढ़ जाएगी. Look at my little pinky toe suffering. I was waiting for this premiere. Like usually, I am not somebody who loves movies a lot. I'm not a big movie buff, but this is one premiere from the time they were teasing this movie. I was so excited to watch it. So. How was it?
So good.
It's so good. Oh my god. The fact that it was actually a good movie and not just hype and press, like they got the best actors to act again for us, and it could have been a shit story and still sell, but the story was also banging. Yeah. The fashion was amazing, the story was amazing. It actually held true to Abhika times because Runway was a fashion magazine, and now how fashion is changing, magazines are changing. It was all so relevant. There was an actual story and it was really funny and very interesting. Definitely a must watch Devil Wears Prada. अगर आपने 1 नहीं देखा है, 1 देखो घर पे Jio Hotstar पे 1 है, and 2 भी आके theater में देखो. It's too good. Today I made my mom and Reet also watch 1, so I'm gonna bring them again for 2 because I loved it so much. So I'm gonna watch it again also. It was so good. Like there were moments where I was like, oh my god, rewind and play again. But मेरे हाथ में remote नहीं है. इतनी आदत हो गई है Hotstar पे देखने की. So yay!
Later that same evening.
I knew you'd be happy with the merchandise. And the socks. The socks are so cute. Diet Coke socks.
तुमको टी-शर्ट भी दिया है.
In my Diet Coke era. Always.
और स्वेटशर्ट.
हाँ, अभी sweatshirt season में है.
ये तुमको भी इसमें भी बहुत इसमें डाइट कोक है.
Wasn't there a Diet Coke shortage in Bombay lately?
देखो there
Of course.
Diet Coke.
Wow.
Look at the back charm.
So cute, adorable. Only they could do it. I'm so glad I went for this premiere. There was also the Tresemme premiere, which I read the message today when I already said yes to Diet Coke. But Diet Coke was actually a sponsor in the movie also. But subtle integration था. There was no. I thought बहुत सारे brand integrations हो गए. याद है Emily in Paris में कैसे इतने brand integrations थे? मेरे को लगा वैसा होगा. वैसा नहीं था बिल्कुल भी. Actual storyline है जो भी तुम आज flag कर रहे थे, which is not okay. Also they are incorporated in the movie. And it's like with this cast, they would have gotten a hit movie irrespective. But they actually made a good storyline. Fudgy! Don't make susu on the mango bag. Good look! Mama looked so good today.
One eternity later.
Good morning. It is Sunday afternoon, and Fudge is getting his Sunday grooming done. Summer haircut time. छोटा कर दो हाँ प्रदीप बाल, और आपके पास का छोटा करना. उसको बहुत गर्मी लग रही है अभी. Fudge is feeling very hot. The house is a little bit of a mess, but Sunday cleaning is on. अभी ईशान और पप्पा घर से गए. We were playing sequence with the fam early morning, and the bedroom's also a mess. I'm gonna clean everything because we don't have a house help right now. So everything is on us to figure it out on a Sunday. And पूरा weekend, long weekend था ये, but I've only been sleeping. I think मैंने आपको update दिया था कि सत्यम शादी करने गया. उसकी शादी हो गई है. So he's going to but take some time. He's coming back 2 months later. So, and that also we're not sure if he's coming back. So for now, temporarily, my office help is helping us in the house. But he just comes for 2 hours and just cleans ऊपर से. बाकी जो कपड़े वगैरह जगह पे रखने होते हैं and all that सामान वो हम ही खुद करते हैं. तो अभी फटाफट कमरा साफ करते हैं. And I want to go and get my nails done. I haven't done my nails in very long. I think I've forgotten what it's like to have acrylic nails on. I like my natural nails now. मैं अभी इतने से लेंथ पे रखती हूँ. मैं nail polish भी नहीं लगाती. I really do like how they look, natural nails. But ये हफ्ते में I am going to Bangalore on Tuesday. I am going for a TED Talk. This is my life's first TED Talk. I'm not even prepared. I'm actually kind of having like an imposter syndrome here, where I'm like, do I deserve to give a TED Talk? Where my team and everyone had to remind me that Sarah, you're very inspiring and people are very inspired by you, and you have to go out there and tell your story. And honestly, I've had a lot of TED Talk invitations, but मैंने कभी भी हाँ नहीं बोला है because I don't know, like going and giving ज्ञान is not, I don't know if it doesn't doesn't come naturally to me. I do give a lot of gyan in my vlogs, but यहाँ पे कोई सुन नहीं रहा होता है ना. This is optional. People are sitting in an auditorium and listening, so it's kind of intimidating. But we are doing it. We are getting over our fears and going. So today I'm going to prepare my TED Talk. Today is Sunday. Friday और Saturday छुट्टी थी और मैं literally सिर्फ इस बिस्तर पे पड़ी हूँ guys. I have not gotten up at all. Just last night we had like a family dinner. That's it. That's what we went for. And apart from that, I haven't gotten up from my bed because it is so hot outside and I was sick the entire week. मेरा tonsillitis था, फिर मुझे बुखार हुआ etc. So I was just like forcing myself to stay in bed and get better completely and then only step out when I'm feeling good. So today that I'm feeling good, I'm like ठीक है चलो बाहर जाके नाखून करा के आते. कल रात को was also really nice. We had like a family dinner with my dad's side of the family. I don't vlog over there because it's like very personal and private, but it was so much fun and we have so many kids in the house now. Ishan plus one more of my cousin also has a daughter. So both the kids, they spend so much time together. पहली बार उनको दोनों को इतनी मजा आई एक दूसरे के साथ कि दोनों रो रहे थे रात को कि हमको एक दूसरे के साथ रहना. They were really funny and cute to see kids play. I mean, we were that age once upon a time, but time goes so freaking fast, like so fast. So chalo, I've done my morning skincare, I've taken my morning supplements. Even though it's afternoon, we've done the morning routine. That's what Sundays are like. And अभी room साफ करते हैं और फिर उसके बाद नाखून कराने जाते हैं.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm dressed in athleisure because 6:30 I'm gonna go to the gym today. This room's deep cleaning will happen, so he's onto it. अभी मैंने बस चद्दर ही घड़ी की थी, but now he's gonna clean एकदम deeply, so it's okay. He's changing everything, the sheets and all. एक हफ्ते में एक बार मैं एक रूम की डीप क्लीनिंग कराती हूँ. आई एम अ वेरी बिग क्लीन फ्रीक फॉर एवरीबडी हु डजंट नो. आई एम. आई ट्राई टू कीप माई हाउस इन अ वे दैट ऐसे लगे कोई रहता ही नहीं है इधर. बट ऑफ कोर्स पीपल फर्स्ट तो माई हाउस यूज्ड टू बी वेरी डर्टी बिकॉज एवरी डे स्टाफ यूज्ड टू कम हियर, राइट? सो देन आई शुड नॉट ट्राई टू हार्ड, बट नाउ दैट नोबडी कम्स इट्स प्रीटी गुड. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ पैकेजेस एवरी डे, सो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं नाखून पे? मैं वही सोच. यू नो व्हाई आई स्टॉप्ड गेटिंग माई नेल्स डन? इट्स नॉट बिकॉज योर नेल बेड्स गेट स्पॉइल्ड एंड ऑल, ये सब तो मुझे पहले से लोग बोलते थे, बट इट्स बिकॉज आई डोंट the patience to sit 3 hours in the salon chair anymore. It takes a lot of time and every 15 days you gotta go and do it again, right? So I've lost that patience in life to get my nails done and I had it once upon a time जब मैं influencer थी सिर्फ. अब दफ्तर की नौकरी के साथ ये सब नहीं होता. That is the realities, okay? So also, a lot of you are asking me where this pendant is from. Reed gifted this to me for our anniversary. It's from Swarovski. It's very nice. I love it, mashallah. It is very beautiful. It's very minimalistic, which is what he knows I like. Minimalistic, dainty stuff. Like chain दिखती भी नहीं ऐसा लगता है. Just the rock is sitting there. This is real. A lot of you ask me for my daily jewelry, so I'm just giving you. This is also real. ये मैंने custom बनवाई हूँ. इसमें पॉ है मेरे बेबी का, पॉ फज्जू का, फिर कैमरा क्योंकि मेरा पूरा दुनिया कैमरा पे चलता है, एंड रीत का आर है. So this is a custom charm bracelet. I got it done from my jeweler, and this is a design by Van Cleef. Van Cleef and Arpels is a brand, luxury brand, but I've seen very bad reviews of their jewelry that it's only gold plated and it's not real jewelry. Anyways, luxury high fashion jewelry is not real jewelry, and Van Cleef is quite expensive. So my gold jeweler, he had this design ready with him. Like these jewelers, they nowadays make like Louis Vuitton ke earrings in real gold and Van Cleef in real gold. So then he had that, so I got it from the jeweler. So it's actually real gold, but it's a design copied from Van Cleef. I really like it though. Like it's very feminine and very like it's cut to my hand only. It was like very impulsive purchase that I had bought this. I had not shown it in any vlog, but in every vlog I get 2 or 3 questions about my daily jewelry. So I answered that, and these rings also which I wear every day, these are real only. ये तो I think मैंने vlog किया था, बहुत पुरानी है. बाकी if I'm buying artificial jewelry also for everyday wear, these 2 rings that I wear every day, these are also real gold, real diamonds. But these I think I have vlogged जब मैंने कब लिया था ये दिवाली पे लिया था. Sabrina has a similar one in a different, this is Marquise diamond. Sabrina has round diamonds and mummy has Marquise and round ka. That's a very big vlog on my channel. And this one I had sold a previous diamond ring, and which I had bought my first diamond ring for myself. I sold that and I got this band on one Diwali. Yeah, that's the thing I like about real diamonds, is that whenever you sell, you'll get that same value or something back, which doesn't happen with lab grown diamonds. Let's go guys. And if you want to buy imitation jewelry, first I should not like Swarovski, but I've realized that Swarovski is, this is also something I was wearing yesterday, and this is also Swarovski. I buy a lot of my imitation jewelry from Swarovski and one more place. Okay, this earring also जब भी मैं पहनती हूँ मुझे लोग बहुत पूछते हैं ये आपने कहाँ से खरीदा है. ये वाली ये इधर जाता है. ये this is like this. ये diamond ऐसा है and ये इसमें जाता है ये rock and then ये ऊपर जाता है ऐसा. So it gives you a very nice beautiful shape when you wear it. You wear it like this. It's from Mirha by Ria. I bought a couple of jewelry pieces from there. It's an Instagram page, so I'm gonna pop it here. So just few recommendations for y'all, few design references if y'all want to get something made. Although gold prices is abysmally high right now, and everything's become expensive. War के बाद I think Swarovski ने भी prices बढ़ा दिए हैं. Guys, my nails are on, extensions are on, and we are doing an ombre color scheme. So this is going to be the base color, like a pastel pink.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. I have come to RTO because I had some license work to get done. License बनाने आई हूँ मैं. बहुत धूप है बाहर. सर दुखने जैसी धूप है. My dad is with me, of course, because I can't do all this alone. So iconic. No spitting, spit. Government offices are hot and sweaty.
1 hour later.
Guys, we are doing an intense declutter today. It's a part of our task list today to really declutter the skincare we have because we get so much PR and it's getting overwhelming to keep everything in our cabinets. So I have just decluttered my bathroom because only I know what I want to use in my bathroom. I do this so many times, it's not even funny how many times I declutter my bathroom and then something new comes. I have to try it for a video, etc. and then they shove it over here and then it's too much. So now this is what my bath section is looking like. So beautiful. This is my body care, this is my hair care, and this is my cleansing balm exfoliator situation. This is my face wash, toothpaste. Toothpaste is not required here because I have Roche in my other bathroom, and this is extras over there. So very organized. That is what I'm currently using in the hair and body department, and these are all the excess things that came out of here. I'm going to keep my cotton pads idhar because idhar मैं आके makeup उतारती हूँ. I keep my perfumes over here, the spare ones. These are not actively being used, all spares are over here. Active perfumes are out in my room, in my bedroom. This is a body mist I am using, but I don't want to keep it here. Yes, because Mama doesn't use body mist in this room. And this, where does he wash my brushes? I bought this on Amazon. I don't know if it's good. Abhi bhi seal hai, like you can see. हाँ तो keep this in that bathroom wherever he washed. You can show it to him. Faji, if you don't want to give, then why are you pulling? Look at this situation. It keeps refilling. कितना भी साफ कर लो इधर नया सामान आता है. Guys, I have decluttered the working skincare drawer. अभी सिर्फ इतना सामान मैंने अपने work skincare drawer में रखा है. मेरे सारे everyday sunscreens, moisturizer, toner and ये मेरे shimmer products जब मुझे event पे जाना होता है. And अभी इधर हम hair care भी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरे hair band वगैरह सब जमीन पे पड़े थे. इतने टाइम से हमने ये hair care drawer sort नहीं किया. Okay guys, I have a travel drawer over here and I need to sort it out clearly. It is a big fat overflowing mess. ये drawer में ना मैं अपने travel के minis रखती हूँ जब travel करना होता है तभी के products and इधर अभी बहुत ज़्यादा products हो गए हैं.
A few moments later.
Done with one reel. Today's shoot day, by the way, Monday. I went to the RTO, got my license work done, and now I am in a shoot day. हमने declutter कर लिया. वो एक reel बनानी थी decluttering की, and now we are sipping on impulse iced tea. मैंने lunch खाया है तो उसके बाद जो नींद आती है उसके लिए अभी मैं iced tea पीती हूँ क्योंकि इससे ना energy बहुत अच्छी मिलती है because of the vitamin content. My second reel is to be done with Jacquaria. So Jacquaria is miking up. I'm miking up. एक पे हम ऐसा स्टिकर रखते हैं दूसरे ब्रांड्स के लिए, एक पे हम impulse का स्टिकर रखते हैं जो काफी बैटर्ड है और एक मैग्नेट भी गुम हो गया.
मैंने डाल दिया मेरे स्पीकर पे उससे.
तुम्हारे माइक के उससे.
The next day.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end this very long vlog right here. I've had such a tiring day because even though long weekend पे मैं इतना सोई हूँ, कल रात को मैं सही से नहीं सोई. I slept at 4:30 in the morning and then I got up for work this morning and I'm so tired. I'm really tired. Wound up my dinner with my friend also at 10 o'clock and came back home. I'm gonna go to sleep, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember a big thumbs up. For today's video, this highest score goes to Masuma Khan. Thank you so much for watching. watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Sasko Show, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad. Just about my next video, Sara Squad. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. I missed my nails, you know, I love talking with them.